In a world filled with challenges and obstacles, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and defeated. But we must remember, we are capable of rising above it all. As men, we have the strength and resilience to overcome any adversity that comes our way. We are warriors, fighters, and leaders. It's in our DNA to push through the toughest of times and emerge victorious. But we must also remember that as mankind, we are all in this together. We must lift each other up, support one another, and strive towards a better future for all. Let's harness the power within us to make a positive impact on the world. Let's be the change we wish to see. Let's rise up together as men and as mankind. So stand tall, face your fears, and never give up. The world is counting on you to be the best version of yourself. Rise up, men and mankind, and let's make a difference. Thanks for watching this motivational video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more uplifting content. Together, we can rise up and make a difference.